only for you. Hold on a minute. No, don't do that. Whoa. Nangyayami ng daddy ko yun! Nangyayami ng daddy ko! It's ng daddy ko! Ito lang. Oy! Who is that? Who is that? Who is that baby eating? Oy! Ay! Don't do that! I know it says, it's all finger food to me. Okay. Yummy ng daddy. Oh my goodness, talang yummy ng daddy ko yun. Napakasarap naman ng yummy ng daddy ko. Hold on a minute. No, you're gonna say, hi ng daddy ko yun. Say hi. Hi. Say, no, not like that, anak. Not like that. No, don't do that, anak. No, you don't do that, anak. Oh, no, anak. No, don't. No. No, anak. Don't do that, ay. Sige. Oh, look what you did, oh. Say, hello, everybody. This is a nice song. This is called Happy Birthday. Hold on. Now, you eat one more big bite ng daddy ko. One more big bite ng daddy ko yon. One more big bite. Aba naman ng daddy. Yan ang daddy. Where is your underarm? Where's the underarm? Tiki. Where is your underarm? Show it to them. You know how to show your underarm. Bella, Naya, where's your underarm? Where's the underarm? Tiki. One more. And then after that, you drink water. Oh. Oh, may naman ang Diyos ko naman. Tsapang naman. Ang daddy. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. No, I need to open it. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, ba naman? Ang daddy ko naman yun. Nag-drink ng water ng daddy ko. Ayan. Okay. How much you like that? It's in a 4 million. 4 million. Look at Mickey Mouse. Hot dog, bakit dog? That's enough na. You gotta eat na muna. You just drink a little bit. But it's better you drink water. Ate, anak, hoy, what you doing? Here's na ng food. Apa naman, napakasarap naman ang yummy ng daddy ko yun. You like it? This is so yum. Next time when you're ready, daddy gonna smash. You know what's good for this, anak? The cereal? The oatmeal cereal. Daddy gonna, apa naman, Diyos ko naman, you don't wait for daddy anymore, you crazy. Daddy gonna put smashed banana. Yummy oatmeal cereal with banana. Yummy ng daddy. Oh, hold on a minute naman, anak ko. You have to eat ng daddy ko to. This is yummy ng daddy. Oh. Yummy ng daddy. Yeah, oh. Anak, yummy ng daddy. Aba naman ang yummy ng daddy ko. Anak, para kang goldfish. You don't stop eating. No, dirty. Let me get fish. Hold on a minute, anak. Oh, I know, you want some more. You want more than daddy? Oh. Big, ah. Big, milk. Ay, not that one, you're right. Oh my goodness, aray ko, anak ko, sandali. Don't eat this. Right here. Oh, you drink mo ng water. I know what you want. You want what? Water. After this, you're gonna go take a shower na daddy. Huh? So you take shower, you're gonna go drink maybe just a little bit of milk. And then I know what you're gonna do. You gotta go swimming while daddy cleaning. Hold on, anak. Anak, you know this. Okay, Diyos ko naman si Ryan naman. Good job ng daddy. Good job ng daddy ko yun. Let me get, may batawa. Tissue. Tissue's done. Okay. Hold on a minute. Oh, you like that one, huh? Hold on a minute. Okay. You know, that song from Winnie the Pooh. That's Winnie the Pooh. That's an old one. Oh, that's a new one. It's a good song. But Daddy knows the original song from Winnie the Pooh. Yeah, it's a good song too from Winnie the Pooh. Daddy knows it. When Daddy was little. You know